And it goes a little something like.
Hello, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I am doing another day in my life as an esthetician. I have my laundry right here, ready to be put back. I'm actually on my way to my spa right now because I have a client in like 30 minutes. Which is a brow wax and lip wax. And then I wanted to record today too, because my employee is working mainly today. So I'm gonna we're gonna set up a Brazilian, set up a facial, and get her all ready for the day. Let me put you over here. But yes, so I'm currently on my way, like I said. Oh no, I think I missed this light. Oh no. Okay, let me drive to my spa really quick and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Now I'm gonna clean and put my laundry away. Everybody likes my days in the life as an esthetician. I have my chill music on. Alexa, play meditation.
Here's a station for you. Meditation on
Yeah.
Amazon Music.
Kind of straight.
Yeah, I know. Nobody ever gets that area. Such oily skin. Me too. Always.
These are the ones that get the most views, so I'm gonna record them. And I need a facial.
Can I still keep them kind of like fluffy?
Yes.
But like,
Do you want me to just wax them? Or do you want a tint too?
I don't know. not yet. Wax them and then let me look.
Okay.
I know you normally think first,
Yeah.
but
That's okay, because they kind of look, they almost look like they don't need them.
I know.
Like, they look
This
nice.
part might need like, I'm trying to figure that part out.
Yes.
But there's that middle piece there that might need to get like somewhat waxed and it might make a difference. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying right there?
Yeah, like
There's one spot coming down like kind of far.
Hopefully it doesn't look like their skin sometimes. Oh, it's definitely.
Yay.
Look crazy, but
I know.
like here, just literally, there's just literally on here.
Yeah.
This out, just a little bit. Oh yeah, here, you do it like this. You step.
With your foot?
Yeah, with that.
But because it was so low the other day.
Yeah, I just put it low for facials. How's that?
Much better. Oh my god, much better. I was like, not that.
Yeah, move it over a little bit. And then get a little wipey wipe for your dog.
Alexa, play chill music.
So I am done for the day. Today was a busy day. It is 6:33 right now. I've been here since 11 a.m. Yeah, 11 a.m. But yeah, it was a good day. My employee, Kylie, did a Brazilian and she did a facial today. So I recorded both of those a little bit. I didn't record like the Brazilian, but I recorded us setting up. So I will add that in today's vlog. But I hope you guys liked this video. I'm just gonna go home now and I'm gonna eat, and I think I wanna run outside. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.